Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing video. I'm really excited to be filming this video. I feel like we got a lot of great products in the box. You guys know if you've seen my video before, I always take a look to see what's in the box so I know what to put on my face first. So this month's theme is Boxy Bash. The first product in the box I won't be trying on my face today. Please don't be mad. It is the CoverFX Blurring Primer. Now this retails for $38 and it is supposed to blur the appearance of pores and fine lines and imperfections. Normally I would try this stuff out. Honestly though, I'm not really into the whole pore filling primers. I typically like illuminating primers. My best friend's birthday is coming up next week, so I just want to give this to her because I feel like this would be perfect for her, so I just don't even want to open it. Like I said, I'm just going to give it to her. She watches my videos too, so she of course knows what I'm giving her for her birthday because I had to tell her because she's going to see this video anyways, so I couldn't keep that present a secret. The rest of the stuff I will be trying on my face, however, today. So the next thing I see in the box is this Aesthetica P12 brush. It's a really weird brush. I don't actually think I own anything in this shape, and it's really soft. I don't know. I feel like it would be kind of good for contouring, but we'll find out in a few minutes because I got this brush, which retails for $27. And then we got this Sculptor palette in the box, which retails for $30. And we've gotten things from Cosmetics before. They're all usually really great products. So this is what we got. And there's like the two contouring shades and then the two highlighter shades right here. I feel like these are really dark. I don't know how this would work for like fair skin. Even right now, I did a little bit of self-tanner today, but I don't know. I just didn't leave it on that long, I guess, and I barely got any color from it. So I don't know. This looks like it's going to be really dark for me, but I'm going to give it a try anyways. I'm just going to go in light-handed. I haven't really put anything else on my face besides primer and foundation, and then I did my brows. So I'm just going to actually use this brush and tap it in. I'm going in really light-handed at first. Like I tapped off a lot just to make sure about the color. It looks like it blends out really nicely though. It's not coming off really strong and pigmented like I thought it was going to, which is perfect. So maybe it really would work for fair skin. I feel like it's not showing up too much, and I'm loving this brush. Like it is so soft. You probably use it for blush too, but I'm really into using a stippling brush lately for blush, so I wouldn't choose this brush for that. I really like how that looks. That's really nice. I forgot. I gotta go get a highlighter brush and a few other things because I want to test out like all of these kind of. You'll see. I just swatched the two highlight shades, and those are so pretty. It's like got the golden one right here and then the more champagne color. Oh, that's so pretty. Usually I go with like the champagne color, but with how my skin's looking right now, I honestly don't know if I should do something else. I honestly think I'm going to go with like the more golden shade on my face today. So I'm just taking my e.l.f. highlighting brush and I'm going to go in with that shade. See how that looks. Maybe I'll mix them. It looks like really glittery in the pan, but it's not coming off glittery on my face, which is amazing because you guys will know I don't like glitter highlights. Oh, I think that's really, really pretty. Oh yeah, that's a really pretty highlight. I'm loving this palette so far. It's crazy. I'm adding a little bit more because, you know me, I love the highlight. I'm actually going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to take that deep shade right there and use it for eyeshadow a little bit because I didn't put any eyeshadow on because of something else we got in the box. So I'm going to see how this looks on the eyes. Brown color, I like it. I'm going to take that other highlighting shade right there. I'm going to use that for the inner corner highlight. Oh yeah, that's super pretty. I really like that. Oh my goodness. I'm really excited about this, honestly. I have a feeling this is going to be like a new favorite palette. And that brush, I can't get over it. Okay, I'm going to smudge a little bit of that brown shade on my lower lash line as well. It'll look so much better once I have like mascara and everything on. So the next thing we got in the box are these 3 brushes from Aesthetica as well. And this retails for $45. That seems crazy to me. You have like this liner brush right here. Then there's another liner brush, and this is weird. I don't own a brush like this. It's like a very tiny tip right there. And then, of course, it comes with the spoolie as well, which I love having these around because I've been grooming my own eyebrows. If you guys haven't seen that video, you should go check it out because I show you guys exactly what I use. I actually just did my eyebrows today, but I love having extra spoolies because I use that when I'm trimming my brows. And obviously, if I'm using different brow products and it doesn't come with a spoolie on the end, it drives me crazy. I just have to have one. We got those brushes because the next thing in the box is the pretty Vulgar ink gel eyeliner. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute. Look at that packaging. It is so pretty. I don't know. Absolutely love it. It just reminds me of that old-timey like ink, you know what I mean? And it's got like the little feather on it. It's so cute. This eyeliner retails for $24. I'm really excited to try it out. I gotta be honest though, it has been so long since I have done my eyeliner. Like, I never do winged eyeliner anymore. I don't know why, but I have a really weird shape to my eyes, and it's been so long. I feel like if I try to freehand this right now, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in while I attempt to do this on camera. So this brush is actually a lot thicker than I would usually use for a liner, but I think I am going to attempt to try to do the wing like this. I just feel like it would just be easier to stamp it like that, so I am gonna try to use this thing. It's been so long since I've used any kind of liner like this. So yeah, I just wanted to mark with this one. I'm like getting it all over this brush. Like, look, it's getting really, really messy. I have a much smaller eyeliner brush that I would typically use. So anyways, it gives me a chance to try out this little tiny brush. So I'm going to attempt. Okay, so I don't think that turned out too bad. Might not be perfect. I have hooded eyes, so I typically don't like doing eyeliner like this, but I've actually been wanting to do eyeliner for a while now because I did miss doing it. This is going on really creamy. Like, it's so weird when you look at it inside of this little thing. It looks like it's going to be thick and hard to blend, but it's going on really, really creamy. I'll just be lucky if I get through this without blinking and messing it up. It's what always happens to me. My eyelashes are so big, they just get in my way, and I end up hitting like my eyelashes whenever I'm trying to do my eyeliner, and then I end up blinking and then get eyeliner everywhere. I don't know. I cannot be the only person that this happens to. It's terrible. Okay, so eyeliner's done. I don't think it turned out terrible. I definitely think this is going to be like my new go-to eyeliner. I really love it. I love the formula. I think it went on so smooth and so easy, and it's so black. Like, there's other eyeliners I've had to like go over a bunch of times to get it this dark, but I didn't have to do that at all with this one. I'm really loving that. I feel like I've gone through this box so quickly for some reason. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. So the last thing in the box is this matte lip gloss. I hate when they name matte liquid lipsticks lip gloss because it's so confusing. But as far as I know, this is going to dry down completely matte and transfer proof. I got the shade Kiss Me. It is so cute. And it only retails for $10. So that's really great because, I don't know, usually the things obviously that we get in the box are usually really expensive. So this is nice. It's something like, you know, at a decent price to purchase. So we're going to give this a shot. This is a very bold lip color. Okay, so this is what Kiss Me looks like on the lips. It's starting to dry down. It has like a really weird feeling, I feel. I don't know. It's completely transfer proof. I just feel like it's like tingling my lips really weird, but it's a really pretty, bold, like berry wine color. I actually kind of like it, to be honest. I've been looking for a shade like this. I ended up purchasing like Bad Habit from ColourPop. That's kind of what this reminds me of. It might be showing off a little bit different on camera. I feel like it might be brighter because of my lighting in here, but it looks really pretty in person. I really like it. I feel like it goes well with just like the eyeliner and not a lot of eyeshadow on. That's probably what I would do if I were going to wear a color like this anyways. Guys, that's all the products I got in my Boxycharm. I mean, I don't know. I'm having a hard time with this one picking out my favorites, to be honest, because I absolutely love this palette. Like, I literally love all 4 of these shades. I'm obsessed with this brush. It's definitely going with my everyday brushes because I'm going to be using this every day. And even that eyeliner, this is like amazing. I guess I wasn't really too much of a fan of the eyeliner brushes. I have one that I prefer that we actually got in a different Boxycharm. I'll be using that more. I'm happy that I got the primer for my best friend. And this lip shade is perfect. I've been wanting a color like this for a really long time, so I'm really glad that I got it. And you guys know I love anything that's like transfer proof, so yeah. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.